What's up, everybody? So I'm working on a bathroom project right now where I'm doing some retiling and putting down some backer board. And our house has all of the plumbing coming up through the floor. And so I'm having to figure out a way to cut some holes in this backer board. And I just wanted to share what I'm doing. And actually, I think it's working pretty well. So I'm gonna show you what I'm doing, and hopefully it might be helpful to someone. All right, so as you can see, I've already gotten half of this hole cut, but I was trying to just score along the outside of this circle here, and then I was just gonna break off the pieces as I was scoring, but it was just taking so long to try and score that edge and get it deep enough to be able to break that and do a clean break. And so I'll show you what I'm doing. I'm basically taking this drill with a masonry bit on it, and I'm cutting a bunch of holes around the outer edge, and I'm gonna break that piece off and then clean it up with a chisel. So here's how I'm doing that.